Hi there, my name is Christina Marie. Welcome or welcome back. I wanted to talk today about my first field notes journal. I haven't written in it yet. I'm really excited to try out field notes for the first time, and I think it's gonna be a great addition to my bag, especially since I'm trying to pack minimal gear. After I get to travel and fill this out a bit, I'll let you guys know what I thought about it overall. My family and I are taking our first family trip together. I've never been this far west. We're gonna travel up to Seattle, head into Canada, and then go from Washington all the way down to California. I've never seen that far west. I've only been to Colorado. My husband and I drove there a few years ago, and I haven't flown in 6 years. So I'm really excited to take this trip. We're traveling very minimally, so I decided to bring this field notes journal that my husband recently gifted me. It's gonna be about a 2-week journey, so I feel like this notebook will definitely get me there. The idea is for all of us to just use our backpacks in the airport and then throw them in the rental car when we're ready to go. My 2 sons even have their own little backpacks to wear, and I'm so excited to see them walking in the airport with them. I plan to write in this notebook like I do with my normal scheduler, where I just write down what we did every day, but I also want to include locations or things that I want to go back and see, or just fun things to remember that we did with our kids. This is going to be their first time flying in a plane. I have an almost 5-year-old and almost 2-year-old. The outside of the journal feels like watercolor paper. The art on this field notes journal is from Rex Brasher. It's a lovely illustration of the painted red start. My husband chose this for me. I believe he got it from Colorado. They have this ruler at the side, which I think would be very helpful, especially when you're traveling. I'm definitely going to include one of these borrower cards because I want to track my mood and how often I drink coffee, maybe stuff that I ate, who knows. And then I put in some blank index cards as well. It's good to have a couple blank index cards to just kind of brain dump on. The pages are lined and they feel really thick. I haven't tested out my pen on this paper, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to bleed. I think I decided to bring both my Sharpie S-Gel and my roller. If neither of them run out, I plan on using the Sharpie roller for titles and then the S-Gel for the body. I've really enjoyed writing with the roller, although I have a bad habit of wiping my hand across the page and smearing it. I need to pack, so let's do that together. I'm bringing a zip-up sweater, a pair of shorts, a pair of jeans, 2 t-shirts, comfy shorts, 3 tank tops. I'm gonna bring a nightgown, which I can also use as a dress, cutest underwear I have, socks, a pair of gloves, a cute hat, and I'll probably wear my leg warmers. The whole top section is pretty much wide open for my son. I'm most likely going to have to put my youngest son's clothes up there. I didn't talk about this book because I might not use it, but this is a travel notebook that my husband gave me a while ago, and I'm gonna use it for our kids' first trip because I've never used it, and there's 5 of them, I think. So I might fill this out on the plane or, just at some point. So I'm gonna pop that in there. I'm gonna put the field notes in there. My passport will obviously go in there too. And my wallet. I'm bringing along this extra cute notebook keychain. I think I'll put it right on the front here. And I'll tuck that in too. Oh, mustn't forget my pens. In this one, I'm gonna pop my essentials bag, my headphones, nail clippers, tweezers, nose thing, and my chapstick, my camera. It's just a point and shoot. I'll probably wear my sunglasses most of the time, but I'm just gonna set those in there for whenever I don't need them. And I think that's basically it until I think of anything else. On the side pocket here, I have a huge charger where I'm gonna charge our phones and whatnot. And that leaves the top wide open for diapers or whatever I need to carry for my kids. I brought an extra headband and I'm gonna wear my ring and my necklace that I never took off. And of course, I'm gonna wear a bandana. They're great when you need to cover your eyes to sleep when it's bright out. This backpack actually comes with a side pocket that I can open and access the inside of my bag. So if I need to quickly grab a sweater, I can do that. And we're good to go. I think field notes is a great option if you're trying to travel with minimal gear. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing any more of my videos, you can go ahead and subscribe. Please like this video if it was helpful for you at all, or if you just enjoyed it, and comment below if you want to know my thoughts about this field notes journal. See you next time. The field notes journals, the field notes memo books. That sounds so weird. The field notes memo books. The field notes memo book. The field notes memo books. This is a 48-page field notes book.